I'm just tearing up some steel croissants. This is for my baked breakfast croissant bake. It's a great make-ahead breakfast and is very easy to make. And great also for feeding a crowd, as really use a bigger tin. Double up the recipe. So I've got 150 mils of full fat milk. Into this I am going to add 3 eggs, teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I want 75 grams of caster sugar. The reason this is such a great make-ahead breakfast recipe is you can get on with it the day ahead. Just get on with this stage, mix it all together and leave it in the fridge, and then it just needs to be baked the following morning. Now this is where the issue arises for me, because most of the time when I make this, by late at night, unfortunately, temptation gives way and I will have a midnight feast with it instead. And for my last ingredient, I have some frozen berries. I have some blueberries here and raspberries. I like it something that adds a little tartness and counteracts all the sweetness in here. And I always use frozen berries when I'm baking with them. I think it's such a waste of money to use fresh berries if you're baking them. If you're just having some on the side, go for fresh. I want to tuck some of these in underneath. Now you don't have to make this the day ahead, it just makes things easier. You could just leave it out for 15 or 20 minutes, just soak up all the eggy sweetness and milk there until it's almost all soaked up, and then just throw it into the oven the same as everything. So I just need to cover this now, and then that's it to the morning. 35-40 minutes in a 180 degree oven and breakfast will be ready. My croissant bake's had its time soaking up all the milky eggy juices, and it's ready for the oven. I have my oven preheated to 180, so it is just now a matter of sprinkling with some flaked almonds. These add a wonderful crunch. Okay, and that's it, ready for the oven. My croissant bake has had its time in the oven. I'm ready to dive in. And wait, I've got my bowl here. Very hot still. Smells so good. It almost has a donutty smell. I think it's the vanilla and the eggy butteriness that gives it that. So we're going to dive right in. It's every bit as good as I was hoping it would be. Guys, if you want to keep up to date with all my recipes, please subscribe below and turn on the notifications.